July the 2nd, 2025, Podpoint Solo S test, circa 2021 model. Complaining of it dropping out, generally not behaving itself. Unit connected up using a amp probe and monitoring your CP voltage there. Okay, so we are in A mode now, which is unit quiescent, e.g. not connected to the vehicle. Alright, not connected to, so in other words that would not be connected. Alright, CP voltage plus 11.91 volts. Switch yourself into vehicle connected but not taking any power. Voltage changes to minus 8.24 volts. And you get a flashing green light on the pod point. Right, stage 3. So you are now, the car is now going to take power from the vehicle, which means all of these relays close. Mains relay, and earth relay all close. Assuming it's working, of course. .240 volt. Voltage minus 8.72 on the CP. Now in this case here you've got a dodgy connector. The CP wire is where my finger is intermittent. And that was what the complaint was from the customer, that it kept dropping out. Charger online right now on charging. Fault found to be faulty CP wire stroke connector. Okay, right, we have disconnected the Wi-Fi connection here just to prove what's going on with this thing. Power it up. Okay, you get a white LED come up straight, which according to the Podpoint Good Food Guide is indicative of a lost connection where my finger is. Now it's managed to associate with the Wi-Fi, or not as the case may be, that's beyond me. Anyway, look, so the unit is arguably now dumb. Right, we connect it up, as you can see, onto here, onto the tester. Right, solid white. Plug it into the car. Right, flashing green, which is obviously correct. Okay, flashing green, 100% correct. Right, let the car take power. Right, we have mains. So no Wi-Fi connection, the unit is still working fine. So arguably the unit can be used as a dumb charger, if that's the right word to use. Right, i.e. not connected to the Podpoint network. Okay. Right, what else do I need to do? Right, CP error. Throw one up. Immediately goes to a red, kills the charge, which it has done. Now that presumably will now stay there until you crash out. So go back to A, which is reflective of it not being plugged into the car. Repeat, not plugged into the car. Right, go to B, which is plugged into the car and ready to take a charge, flashing green. Right, switch in again. Right, back online. You're now supplying power to the car. Right, earth error. Throwing up a PE error. Right, protective earth error. Got a white LED up, not a red LED, just a white LED. So it doesn't see it as a fault, it just won't allow anything to happen. Right, let go of all that. We are back on now. Right, so this concludes the test on the Podpoint.